Okay. Okay. So I'm making a sweet and sour sauce. Excuse me. Mixed with onions and pineapples and some extra virgin olive oil. Very good kind. Very good. Along with some water chestnuts. And then I will add my sauce, my sweet and sour sauce. Very necessary to let it sizzle. Make sure it's going to be putting my sauce in soon. So I just want to share that with y'all. Relaxing home with the husband. Watching Girlfriends. Oh yeah. You gotta stay on top of your food. Timing is everything. Alright, get the stirring. Alright. Have it all mixed in, and now it's okay. This is my sweet and sour sauce. Okay. So again, you can be creative. It does not have to be water chestnuts and onions and pineapples, sizzles, and some extra virgin olive oil. You can use any type of fruits and vegetables that you wish, whether it be lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, oranges, apples, pears, plums. All these things can be cut up in slices and thrown in a saucepan with some extra virgin olive oil and sizzled up before you put some sort of sauce in. Be creative. You feel me? I don't know how it smells, but this sauce is going to be amazing. I mean, get in. So my rice is done. My sauce is done. She's waiting for my meat. It's going down. Alright, you guys.